Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain one important topics of CWRV. So this is length analysis of wicks of a candlestick. So after that I will try to place some trade in real market and I will try to explain in the chart also. So let's start. So in CWRV, in an uptrend market or in a downtrend market, each and every candlestick have like this type of wicks, upper wicks, lower wicks, upper wicks. So this candle have wicks. Sometimes there is no wicks. So each and every candlestick have wicks. Sometimes this type of candlestick, it's called a Marubozu candle. There is no wicks or there is upper wicks little bit or large wicks. When upper wicks, then it's not a Marubozu candle. So when we see this type of wicks, so each and every wicks have length. That means this height is large, this height is short, this height is more short. So we have to analyze this length, and after analyzing this length we have to place our trade to the upper direction or to the downward direction. So there is rules here. So if we see, it may uptrend market situation and it may downtrend market situation also. Okay, in downtrend market, if we see like this type of situation, market is falling down. Okay, this candle, second candle, this one, it may upper wicks, lower wicks. Here it may this type of candlestick that have lower wicks, like this type of. Okay, so now the rules is, if we see the first candle, we have to take this type of spinning top candle that have both side wicks, like this type of, or it may red color bullish candle or bearish candle. So if we see this candlestick, and this candle volume is this one. So this candle volume, this one, this candlestick, this candle volume, this one, okay. And now this candle, so last candle, this candle have upper wicks, but this wicks is very short wicks. So if we see the volume decrease, so next movement of the market, our expectation that next movement of the market to the upper direction. There are some other rules also. First of all, we have to know all the rules, then it's very perfect. We have to analyze the market by all other rules also. Not only these rules, but this is one of the rules. It also works. When we place our trade, we have to analyze the market by all other rules also. So here this is also a rules. So this rules is when we see the market is uptrend. So first of all, we have to take both candle, this candle and this candle, same color. That means second candle and third candle same color. And if first candle different color, that means bearish candle, it's also okay. But spinning top, try to take spinning top candlestick. So and this candle and this candle, these two candlesticks like same color. So after that we have to observe the volume condition. So when we see the volume low, then the wicks is short. So our expectation next candle goes up. Okay, so what happen if this candle wick is large? So I'm drawing first. Suppose this is first candle, this one, it may red candlestick also. So next two candlestick same color, wick, upper wick, lower wick, upper wick, and next candle this one. Okay, suppose next candle this one, this type of wicks. So now candlestick, this one, and this candle volume is now this one. Okay, first this one. Okay, so in this case this candle volume is high and upper wicks also large wicks and volume also high. So in this case our expectation that next candle again goes up. If this situation happen that market is going to the upper direction and now this wick, large wick and volume high, so we can expect next candle goes up. So here what happen if same situation but volume high? So that means this candle, next candle this one, so another candle, this type of candlestick but upper wicks, short wick, and this one, this one, this one. So upper wicks is very short here. So when we see this type of situation or little bit large candle, wick very short wick but volume high, so our expectation next candle fall down. So market will reverse here. Okay, so same thing if we see in this case, suppose market is going up, after this situation, after this candle, next candle this one, and then this one. But what happened in this case, volume like this. So here large wick is very large, upper wicks is very large here and volume is very low here. So now next candle fall down. Next candle fall down from here. So this is the situation, candle wicks length and the volume condition. Upper wicks of this candle is very short and volume short, volume low, that time market goes up. Here upper wicks of the second candle is a very large and volume high, so that time market continue to the same direction. Here wick, upper wicks short and volume high, can market reverse, and here the upper wicks is very large here but volume short here, so market reverse from here. So this is one rules. And in the downtrend market, if we take a spinning top candlestick here and second candle, third candle this one, and same logic here, if we see the volume condition is this one and then this one and then this one, so it will continue the market to the same direction. Market will continue to the downward direction. Why? Because this last candle, this candle wick is large and volume is high, that's why candle fall down. So here if we see this one, both side wicks, this one and upper wicks, lower wick, and this type of candlestick, volume the lower wick very low here, short wick here, and the lower wick very short wick here, and the volume condition is like this type of. So in this case market fall down. So if we see this type of situation, this one, third candle, this one, but in this case volume, this type of, this is the volume condition. So now next candle goes up from here. Okay, so another thing is when we see first, second, and third candle, so in this case what we see, this one, and this one. So market create this candlestick, and this candle have lower wick, and this wick is very short but volume is high. So in this case market reverse from here. This is the actual condition. So when market create first this candlestick, so we have to take two same color candle, and we have to take the lower wicks. Lower wicks is very large but volume low. Market reverse. Two candlestick, market create same color, and last candle wick is very large and volume high. So it may market will continue, and this two same color candle, last candle that have lower wicks but very short wick, volume also low, so market continue. And in this case volume is high but candlestick wick is very short here. Our expectation market goes up. So this is one of the rules of CWRV. So when we place our trade, we have to observe all others conditions also. First of all, we have to know all the rules very deeply, and we have to practice in the market. When market create this type of situation, that time we can place our trade by observing all the market condition, market situation, and we have to analyze the market by all others rules also. So this is the topics today, length analysis of candle. So now I'm going to the chart and trying to place some trade in live chart, and I will explain there also, then it will more clear. So let's go to the chart. Okay, this is Euro JPY pair, and market is trying to falling down here. Okay, so I think market again continue here to the downward direction. So after 1 minute market will give us here a bearish candle, and I must win this trade. So let's see what will happen here. Okay, this is my winning trade. So when we get two candlestick, two same color candlestick, so that time if we see the last candle have weak lower wicks and low volume, then market continue to the same direction. By that concept, I placed my trade here to the downward direction, and this is my winning trade. So let's go another pair. Okay, this is GBP USD pair, and now market is sideways type market previously. Okay, volume is suggesting us by CWRV concept market will give us here a bullish candle, but it's my very late entry if I place my trade here. Okay, no problem, I place my trade here to the upper direction. I think market will create here a large candle and I must win this trade. So let's see what will happen here. It's my risky trade, so I don't know what will happen, but I think market will create here a large candle and I must win this trade. So let's see what will happen. Yes, this is my winning trade. So I am explaining the reason of placing my trade. So by CWRV concept, it's my very risky trade. Don't place any trade like this because it's very dangerous. I place my trade by taking some risk. Okay, so I am explaining why I place my trade here. So in CWRV concept, when we see market creating same colors candle, so in the last this candle have wick, this wicks is lower wicks than upper wicks, and this wicks is short wicks but volume is high here. When we see this type of short wicks, small wicks but volume high, market will reverse. That's why I place my trade, although it was my very high risky trade. I placed my trade here to the upper direction for 1 minute. After 1 minute, market create here a bullish candle, strong candle, not so strong but it closed above my entry point, and this is my winning trade. So there are so many rules in the CWRV concept. By only one rules I don't place my trade here. There are some others rules, so we have to learn first all the rules very perfectly, and after that we have to apply the rules in the market. This is one of the confirmation from CWRV concept. There are some others rules. By that rules I placed my trade here, although it was my very late entry and it was my very risky trade. So don't trade like this. Don't place your trade without learning. Without deep knowledge, it's not possible to make money from the market. This is all about today's trading. So if anybody want to learn price action, volume analysis, volume signal, CWRV concept, market structure, money management system, contact me by telegram at @trustedbnry, WhatsApp +88 01741778986, and direct call +88 0183009396. So thanks for watching my videos.